So let's see the next question. Here we have to define a class named Bookfare, and these are the instance variables b, name and price, and these are the methods. Bookfare, this Bookfare is same as the class name, that means it's a constructor. Then void input is there to take input for the store for the name and price of the book, and calculate function will calculate the price after discount. The discount is calculated according to this criteria, okay. And then display function is there, it will display the name and price of the book after discount. So here we have created a class Bookfare according to the question, and then we have declared the instance variables b, name, price and price discounted. So if you want, you can add an instance variable if it is needed. So here this price discounted is not mentioned in the question, okay, as you can see it's not there in the question, but according to the requirement we can declare more instance variables. So this price discounted is declared. Then the constructor here is used to initialize b, name, okay, and price with the default values. Then the input function declares a scanner object. Using that object we take the book name and also the book price, okay, and then the calculate function will do the calculation that is given in the question, okay. So this discount percentage is a local variable, initially it is 0. Then we are checking here, if the price is less than equal to 1000, discount percentage is 2, okay. In the question it's given, isn't it, here if it is less than equal to 1000, discount is 2%. So we are storing 2 in the discount percentage variable. The calculation will be done later, okay. And if it is greater than 1000 and less than equal to 3000, the discount percentage is 10, and if it is greater than 3000, discount is 15, okay. So we have not done 15% yet, we have not done 10% yet, and similarly we haven't done 2% yet. We have just taken this part of the percentage, okay. We haven't applied divide by 100 yet, that is applied here, okay. So you can see discount percentage divide by 100. So that divide by 100 is done here, that divide by 100 into price, okay. So this will give you the discount that will be there. So the final amount will be price minus the discount, okay, and that will be stored into the price discounted variable. And then the display function will simply display the name and the discounted price. And then of course we have to create a main function. In the main function we have to create an object of the class Bookfare, and using that object we call the functions in the right order: input, calculate and display.